What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get your pocket option referral code. Also, if you guys are looking for a referral code yourselves, you can check the description below where I will leave my referral link and my referral code for pocket option. By using that link or that code, you will get $50 once you create your account and transfer some funds to it, and also some trading fee discounts. So let's get started. So to get your referral link for Pocket Option, you would first need to create an account with Pocket Option Affiliates. So the domain is affiliate.pocketoption.com. So once you're on the affiliate website, all you would need to do is just register, and then you will get your link and your code. So just go ahead and click registration right here. And here you will simply need to input the email that you would like to be associated with your Pocket Option affiliate account and your password. Once you did that, you can just click sign up. So because I already have an account, I will input my information and I will click sign in. But if you're just creating an account, just go ahead and click sign up option. Now, once you sign up as an affiliate, you will just need to go to your affiliate links section in your affiliate dashboard, and here you will be able to find your affiliate links. So all you would need to do to get your link is just click copy right here. Once you have your link, you can share it, or you can additionally create another link. And to get your promo codes, you would just need to go to the promo code section and just create a promo code. So here you can customize it, then you can save it, and then you will have your promo code just like this one right here. And that's guys how you can get your Pocket Option referral code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.